Hi guys, it's Tessa. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make single-ended synthetic dreadlocks from Kanekalon Hair. So single-ended dreadlocks is a great way to put dreadlocks into your hair without having the full commitment of real ones. They're simply attached to your hair by braiding them in. And you can also attach them to your existing dreadlocks by simply putting the loop through the dreadlock and then tightening it up at the top. So if you want to know how to make them, keep on watching. So all the Kanekalon hair that I'm using to make the dreads is from cyberlockshop.co.uk, and I would highly recommend them. They do a great choice of colours and different ranges to choose from. So the colour of the Kanekalon hair that I'm using is Petrol Blue. I will put all the links in the video description box for you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take an inch section of the hair depending on how thick you want it. Now taking the coat hanger, I'm going to put my feet in the middle so my legs are holding it in place. So taking the Kanekalon hair, I'm going to wrap it around the top of the hanger. Give it a little twist. I find when I'm making a single-ended dread, if I get the crochet hook, put it in the Kanekalon hair and just move it around a little bit, this helps to knot up the top to create the loop. And you just want to do this until the loop at the top is nice and secure. So pulling those hairs out with a crochet needle, twisting them around, and then pulling them back through the dread. Okay, so now we've created the top loop. We are just going to continue backcombing the rest of the Kanekalon hair so it's nice and matted. So the secret in making an even dreadlock is all in the backcombing. You want to make sure that the backcombing is nice and consistent all the way through, and then work your way back down, and you want to keep doing this a couple of times. I also find using different thicknesses of combs helps with the backcombing. Okay, so once you've finished backcombing, you then want to crochet all those little loose hairs back into the dread. So once you've finished crocheting the dreadlock, once you get to the bottom, take your crochet hook and just move it backwards and forwards between the Kanekalon hair. This helps to knot the bottom so it doesn't unravel. Then with the loose hair at the end, just cut with some scissors. So I'm just going to continue backcombing the rest of the Kanekalon hair to make a set of the dreadlocks. If you guys are wondering how many dreadlocks you will need for a full head, with single-ended dreadlocks you could have up to 60 for a full head. If you had double-ended dreadlocks, then you could have about 30 to 40 depending on the thickness of the dreadlock. So when you're happy with the dreadlocks and you finish backcombing and crocheting them, they're now ready to be steamed to help them keep their shape. So just wait for the dreadlocks to dry and then they're ready to be installed into your hair. So I just want to say a big thank you to Cyberlock Shop for providing me with the Kanekalon hair for this tutorial. So there we go guys, thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys! Da, 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 da.